Welcome to the unit Nature. Overview. Let us have a look at the overview. The overview slide consists of 3 sections, namely Introduction, Instruction and Evaluation. The Introduction section is meant to motivate the student to learn the lesson. The Instruction section divides the contents of the lesson into 4 subsections. They are Content, Communication, Constructive Components, and Enrichment activities. The lesson is covered under Content. All the activities pertaining to the 4 skills of language and their assessment are covered under the sections Communication and the Constructive Components. The enrichment activities are meant to widen the scope of the student's thinking and learning, thereby making him or her a global citizen. The extent of understanding of the module can be assessed by the student under the evaluation section. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn the poem Raindrops, summarize the story Rainy Day, learn rhyming words. Introduction. Let us start our lesson with some questions. Have you ever got wet in the rainwater? What will you do if it rains? Do you know how to make paper boats? Sing the poem. Happy little raindrops falling from the sky, we can hear you saying to the clouds, goodbye. Happy little raindrops falling at our feet, we can see you running down the busy street. Happy little raindrops falling on the houses, roads, etc. We can see you making tup tup on the flowers, leaves, grass, etc. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. You can click the answer button to view the answer. Comprehension. Activity 1. Click the words that you find in the rhyme. Comprehension. Activity 2. Match the words given under Group A with Group B. Click Submit to verify your answers. Study Skills, Activity 1. Observe the below pictures carefully and answer the following questions in your own. Click Reference button for your reference. Rainy Day. Let's see a small story. A student named Rajesh was studying in second class. His school was a mile away from his house. One day it was raining heavily. Rajesh had a new shirt which he would like to wear on that day. His mother refused to wear the new shirt on a rainy day as it might get wet and dirty. Rajesh said that he would take his father's umbrella and take care of his new shirt. His mother said that there will be no school as it was raining heavily. But Rajesh said there was an English test and he must and should go to the school. His mother allowed him to put on his new shirt and take his father's umbrella. Rajesh went out with an umbrella in one hand and school bag in another hand. It rained heavily. Suddenly, a tractor came on the street. Rajesh ran towards left side of the street. He slipped and fell. His dress got wet and dirty. Luckily, his books did not get wet as they were in the bag. He could not go to school with his wet and dirty dress. He saw his friends coming from the school. One of his friends, Suresh, asked about his dirty clothes. He did not answer anything.
Is there no school today? No, you may go home and change your dress.
Glossary. The meanings of certain words along with their usage in a sentence are shown. Click the audio button to listen to the pronunciation of each word. Pupil. Wish. Class. Mile. Comprehension. Read the following questions from the story Rainy Day and try to answer them on your own. You can click the Answer tab for your reference. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this section. Rajesh was a second-class boy and his school was a mile away from his house. He wore a new dress on a heavy rainy day. His mother refused Rajesh to wear it, but he did not listen to her. He went out with an umbrella in one hand and school bag in another hand. When he was walking on a street, a tractor came nearby him. He ran towards left side. Suddenly, he slipped and fell. His new shirt became wet and dirty. His friend Suresh, while coming from school, came to him and asked about his dirty clothes. Rajesh did not answer him. Suresh told him that he might go home and change his dress as there was no school. Comprehension Activity 1. Click the words that you can find in the story. Comprehension Activity 2. Select the suitable option to fill in the following blanks. Click Submit to verify your answers. Comprehension Activity 3. Observe the box that is displayed on the screen. You can see that under each alphabet, a number is displayed. Then observe the sentences that are displayed below. All you have to do is just replace the numbers with alphabets. One is done for you. Comprehension, Activity 4. Drag and drop the words in the given boxes. Click Submit button to verify your answers. Study skills, rhyming words. The rhyming words from the poem are given below. Match Group A with Group B. Study skills, Activity 1. Observe the image that is displayed on the screen. Do you support what the children are doing? If yes, why? If no, why? Situational conversation. Mother and son conversation. The section Situational conversation is meant to improve the communication skills of the students. In this section, we will observe a conversation between a boy and his mother. The boy won the first prize in a running competition and he is sharing his joy with his mother. Observe the conversation.
Mommy, here is a good news.
What is that, my son?
I got first prize in running competition.
Wow, that's great, my son. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom. I am so happy today.
Me too. How many took part in the competition?
There were totally 12 participants.
Who stood second and third in the competition?
My friend Nikhil got second prize and another boy Mohan got third prize.
Oh, that's good. Did you participate in any other game?
Yes, Mom. I participated in chess competition also. But I lost the game.
It's okay. Try to perform better next time.
Sure.
Show your prize to your dad when he returns from office. He will be very happy.
Yes, Mom. He will be really happy.
Situational conversation, activity. Read the following story carefully and complete the conversation between Kalavati and her mother. Click Reference button for your reference. Study skills, poem. Read out the following lines from the song Mr. Sky in a rhythmic way along with dancing with all your friends in the class. You will have a great fun. Mr. Sky. Good morning, Mr. Sky. How are you today? Will your planet shine bright and strong? Or will your rain spoil our play? Your rays through my window gently wake me up. I love Mr. Sky. You brighten up my day. Writing skills. Write a few words or sentences about your rainy day. What would you like to do on such a day? Click Reference button for your reference. Fun time! I am the winner! Write any 6 words from the list given in the circle. Put only one word in one box. Your teacher will read out any 6 words one by one. Listen and put a cross if the word she or he calls out is in the box. The one who crosses out all the words first says, I am the winner. Listening skills. Listen to the following story and answer the questions that follow. Tup, tup, tup. Ramu heard the sound of water drops. He opened the window. Cool breeze touched him. Water drops also entered the room. Wow, it's raining, shouted Ramu. He jumped from the bed. He started running out. Ramu, don't go out! Don't go out in the rain! Ramu's mother shouted. Ramu didn't listen to his mother. Ramu, you'll catch cold! Stop! Shouted Ramu's mother. Ramu ran out. Lucky followed him. Now, answer the following. Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Discuss with your mother about the safety measures that are to be taken in the rainy season. Collect some pictures of the things that we use in the rainy season and paste them in a chart. Talk about them. Talk to your classmates and list out how many of your friends get wet in the rainwater, made paper boats, touched a frog, made kites, flew kites, splashed rainwater, jumped in the rainwater. Enrichment activities. As a part of enrichment activities, have a look at the following links. Quotes. Let us listen to a few quotes. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Mahatma Gandhi. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Rumi. Test your understanding of the lesson by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Nature